How to make pie and mash liquor only way. Most people get this wrong, but making pie and mash liquor isn't complicated if you follow the traditional method. You won't believe how simple ingredients can create the classic London-style sauce. Start by boiling water with a small amount of fresh parsley. Traditionally, liquor uses parsley, water, and a bit of flour for thickening. In a separate bowl, mix plain flour with a little cold water to make a smooth paste. Gradually add the paste to the boiling water, stirring constantly to avoid lumps. Let it simmer until it thickens slightly. Add chopped parsley and a pinch of salt for flavor. Some recipes include a small amount of vinegar or stock to deepen the taste. Once done, pour the liquor over freshly baked meat pies and serve alongside mashed potatoes. It should be smooth, green-tinted from the parsley, and flavorful without overpowering the pie. In conclusion, making pie and mash liquor involves boiling parsley water, mixing in a flour paste, simmering until thickened, and seasoning. This creates an authentic, traditional sauce to complement your classic London meal.